I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, here to show you another way to wear your head wraps. I'm actually going to be layering this time, so stay tuned. So first I have my locks in a high ponytail. They're currently in a braided style. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on how to wash your locks while they're braided. I plan to wash them soon and I thought that it would be a good video if I recorded it. So let me know if that's something you want to see. So now that my hair is all together in a bun, I take my head wrap and I turn it into a large triangle to tie on my hair. These head wraps I sold on my site. I had so much issues with my manufacturer, so that's why I don't have fabric head wraps anymore. But I will be having head wraps coming again this spring, similar head wraps. But they'll be a little different. You guys will see. So anyway, now that I'm fitting my head wrap over my locks the way I want to, tucking it in, but as you will see, it doesn't really matter how neat I tuck them in because I'm going to cover them with my infinity head wrap. Now my bold colored infinity head wraps, the plain colored ones like the black one, the white one, the green ones, the gray ones, like all of those head wraps, they're relatively thin compared to the other ones. I mean, they're all pretty thin and breathable, but these are thinner than the others. So that way my hair is not going to be too hot by layering this head wrap over my other head wrap. So that is an easy way to layer your head wraps. It's a really good way to color block and just add a different level to your look. As I'm fitting it around to see how I like it, I think this is how I like it the best. I really like it. Let me know how you guys think. By the way, this neck piece that I'm wearing is a necklace by Ethiocraft. I'll have their website down below. I absolutely love it. It's a black onyx stone made in Ethiopia, okay? So check out the link below. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to follow me on Instagram at Keisha Charmaine. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks.
Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. You can always visit www.keishacharmaine.com for hair growth products, hair accessories, and more. But don't leave just yet. Check out my featured video and my latest video.